In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your profile. First, we'll start with clicking your name in the top right-hand corner of the screen and then selecting your profile. Here you can change your password, input your name, email address, and choose a nickname which will be displayed when you leave a comment on a recipe. When you click the My Business tab, you can upload your business logo and your brand icon image. Input your company name, select your profession, enter your work email address, and your website. This information will appear on your shared links as well as your PDF exports. You can also choose a theme color to further customize your PDF exports and shared links. Be sure to click Save when you are done. Under the Preferences tab, you can select your preferred units of measure. You can also select which PDF export theme you would like to use: classic, modern, or bold. You can also toggle on automatically apply icon and theme color when possible. This will pull your branding color and icon into all of your shared links. Next, you can select which nutrition information you would like to display on recipes and your planner. Scroll down to set your notification preferences for recipe comments and replies, as well as export deliver receipts. When you are finished making your selections, remember to click Save. You can also manage your snippets under your Preferences tab. Snippets allow you to create frequently used blocks of text so you can quickly insert them into your content before creating an attachment or exporting. Under the Shared tab, you can view all of the links that you have shared with your clients and the stats on each of them. This is where you'll also change the sharing permissions or delete a shared link entirely. If you have Practice Better, you can use the Integrations tab to connect That Clean Life to Practice Better. Click the Generate button and name your integration key. From there, you can copy the token and paste it into your Practice Better account. Under the Subscription tab, you can view what subscription you are currently on. If you are on a monthly subscription, you can transfer to a yearly subscription here. You'll see here how many days you have until your next renewal, and you can also update your billing information if you get a new credit card or if yours expires. And here is where you can cancel your subscription. Last but not least, under the Receipts tab is where you can access your receipts. And that's how easy it is to set up your profile.